In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store page to your website and start adding products or services. To begin, head over to your Pages section. This is where you manage the structure of your site and control what appears in your navigation menu. Once you're there, look for the plus icon next to Main Navigation and click it. This lets you add a brand new page directly into the main menu of your website, which is helpful if you want visitors to easily find your store from anywhere on the site. After clicking the plus icon, choose Store or in some cases Store Page, depending on how it appears in your editor. Selecting this option tells the platform that you want to create a page specifically designed for selling. This is important because a store page usually comes with built-in features and layouts that are made to display products, pricing, and purchase options more effectively than a standard page. Next, you'll be asked to choose a page template layout. Take a moment here to pick the design that best matches your website style and the kind of shopping experience you want to create. Some templates may emphasize large images, while others may focus more on product details or cleaner category organization. If you're not completely sure which one to use, choose the one that feels the most visually clear and easy to browse, since a simple layout often works best for visitors. Once your store page has been created, click the plus icon inside the store panel to begin adding items. This is where your page starts becoming an actual storefront. You'll typically have the option to add physical products, digital products, or service items. Physical products are best for anything that needs to be shipped. Digital products are ideal for downloadable content, and service items work well if you're offering appointments, consultations, or similar offerings. As you add your items, make sure everything is organized in a way that makes sense for your audience. Even though the setup itself is simple, choosing the right item type from the start helps avoid confusion later and keeps your store easier to manage. And that's it. Once you've added your store page and started placing items into it, you've completed the core setup. From there, your store is ready for the next stage of customization and product management.